Good guys, man, son.
Shall we? All right, and our time starts now.
Right. Bet on them. Yes.
Sorry, yes, sir.
I'm gonna dip in and check on these guys. These guys are pros.
Yeah.
We're going 2 minutes.
Yeah, we're already halfway there.
Where are we at right now?
You're at about 45 seconds.
Yeah. Oh my god, my phone just died. You're over a minute though. Yeah, it's so cold my phone just died.
I'll let him know I'm recording from before he got in.
I want to go face down for like the last 30 seconds.
Oh yeah, you got the timer on there?
Yeah, the time is 1:20 and I started just a little bit before you got in.
Okay. You guys are chilling though.
Unintended.
Hey, look at my shirt, man. The coalition of the chilling. Huh.
I'm gonna go face down.
How cold? Hot water all the way? 55 or just all the way down. I sight.
That's... Yeah. My phone died.
You're at 2 minutes, yeah.
So cold my phone died.
He's gonna feel something special when he comes out.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good shit, man.
Catch your breath, brother.
Hell yeah. Good shit.
This is Wolverine right here. Yeah.
Nicely done. Did you run this last year? Yeah, man.